Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are 42 degrees outside today. We cold today? I don't know if we're cold today or not. 42 degrees isn't that bad. We got Kenneth first in the chat. Oneist. Yes, man. We got Kenneth, Nigaf, man. Kenneth, Kombu, Kenneth, different Kenneth. Frank, man. What's going on? Frank, Kombu, Dark Bro, Kombu, Frank, Kombu, Kenneth, different Kenneth, Dark Bro, Kenneth, Dark Bro, Kenneth, Dark Bro, Kenneth, Dark Bro, Kombu, Dark Bro, Kenneth, Giovanni, Kenneth. Old Rounder, Dark Bro, Kenneth, Outdoor Smile, Dark Bro, Next Level, Dark Bro, all of you guys. Glad to have you in here right now. Let's check. That's not the market. What are you doing up there, you little bro merch? AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, sitting at $6.83 today. Shiba Inu coin, 978. Shiba Inu coin looking very good. You've got GameStop sitting at 15.15 right now, 2.10% higher on the day today. Bitcoin sitting about 0.75% lower, sitting at $43,650 per coin. The NASDAQ soaring, flying. NASDAQ doing very well today. NASDAQ sitting at 14,322, up 1.24%. Dogecoin sitting at 9.6 cents. Ethereum, $2,340 a coin. Highest levels that we have seen on Ethereum since, where are we at here? May of 2022. Massive gains over the last like 5-6 weeks here, guys. Ethereum doing very well. Shiba Inu coin 979, not doing too bad. Let's retest that 1,000 point per coin and drop that zero. 43,650 on Bitcoin. SPY sitting at 457. QQQ 390 once again. Telling you, man, the QQQ looking stinking strong here. Mullen Auto, 15 cents, down 5.5%. Sundial sitting at $1.46. Netflix, 451. Highcroft Mining, $2.10. MPW, 479. Tesla, 242. Amazon, 147 and 195 on Apple. $195 on Apple. 3 more bucks, what is that, 1.5%? And Apple is hitting all-time highs here. Hard to believe, man. Apple looking at all-time highs with just 1.5% gain. $3 and you are busting all-time highs. That's crazy, man. Is the bear market over? I think the bear market might be over. I don't know. Man, PayPal got me again, saying my billing info does not match, so it's not paying my subscriptions. It does this crap every month, but nothing is different. I don't get it. Next level. No idea, really. I have no idea. PayPal is very strange at times. I really don't know why they act the way that they do. Can't live without premium. I hate ads. Next level. I hate gray names. No, I'm just kidding, man. I'm just kidding. I don't hate gray names. I like gray names. I like green names probably better, but I like gray names as well. Let's see. Cold here. Old Rounder. Yeah, dude. 42 degrees. You guys consider 42 degrees cold? I don't know. Not too bad today. Showa, 47 here. Kenneth, 47. We're going to be 70 degrees today in Southern California. Smokes, man. 70 degrees sounds like it's nice. I like that the market cap went up today. Another $2,000. Look at 27. Yeah, dude. I think you're talking about honorarium, Kenneth. Honorarium is honorolium. Look at this, man. Honorarium continuing to post green after green after green after green after green. Another 48% gain today. This bad boy is not looking back. Oh my gosh. 26 points per coin right now. 260. 50 is what Shib's got. I call this 260 points per coin on Shib. So that's what we're gonna call it on honorarium here. 260 points per coin, looking good. Got $5.5 thousand in the liquidity pool, 64 holders, 10.51 billion circulating supply, and a $27,000 market cap. Very nicely done. Buys far exceeding the sells today. Very well done, Dark Pro. We got to get this number 1 higher, man. You got to get that number 1 higher right there. But some very nice buys coming in there. Very nice. 23, 50, 13, 90. Looking pretty good on that one, man. I remember way back here, $13 was getting you like $500,000, dude. Now $90 is getting you $34 million. Oh, how the price increases quickly. And what do we got here? Shiba Inu coin? Yeah, Shiba Inu coin right there. But we'll come back to this one. Also, don't forget, guys, if you want to burn Shiba Inu coin with your Amazon purchases, make sure to use that link. Let's see here. I looked at the market. I saw that. What's up, everybody? Hope all is well. I can be here for about 10 minutes before I got to see my neurosurgeon for my update on my surgery and pull my staples and stitches. Wait, they didn't stay in there very long then. Richard, isn't that good, man? Isn't that good if you're already getting that stuff out? And hopefully you got nothing but positive reports coming from that neurosurgeon there. And tell him the bro said what's up, dude. Okay, Lucy so just tweeted about a big burn announcement in a few days exceeding all expectations. Well, no, I think my expectations are for whatever Shib burn has written down. If they exceed those expectations, I'm going to be very confused. But my expectations are going to be that they burn. I don't have that phone. I can't check and see what she tweeted, man, so I would not know. But our expectations should be for what Shib Burn is posting there. Right now, Shib Burn has... Holy smokes. $560,000 accumulated that has not been burned yet. $560,000 accumulated that has not been burned yet. We are doing $24 of 5 seconds. $24, $17, $19, $24, $16 every 5 seconds. Guys, I hope that they can keep this up, but I really don't believe that they can. And I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna be flabbergasted if they announce that they are burning Bone. If they announce that they're burning Bone once this hard fork is completely updated, oh man, I hope they get the cold shoulder. Let's see, 100,000 market cap by the end of the month, Dark Bro. Let's go $1 million market cap by the end of the month, man. Currently up 0.97%. That's almost 60% of what I was down yesterday from dividend dips. Boom! That's what I'm talking about, Frank. Dude, Frank is absolutely destroying this portfolio, man. I love it, and I want to see you keep it up. Yes, they want me to have Telegram to update all the crap. Like, I don't want Scam City. Yeah. Are you talking about CoinMarketCap wanting you to have Telegram, or are you talking about Dex Tools wanting you to have CoinMarketCap? You lost your microphone. What? Guys, you can hear me, right? It shows that I'm still ticking. Shows my audio still ticking there. Hope I didn't lose it. Can you link that page there, Clay? Yeah, I can link it. Gotta go click it again. If you want to check out that Shib Burn website, I just keep it, I just keep it open and then refresh it every time I open it. But that's Shib Burn, right? That is not like Satoshi and the ecosystem team. That is Alex from Shib Burn and Shib Association. He's the one that has been running these nodes to keep track of all of the accumulated Bone. So I hope that they burn something in excess of those numbers, but I'd find it very, very doubtful that they would be able to burn something in excess of those numbers. Looks like 2 more countries are about to adopt Bitcoin. Like El Salvador, countries Qatar and Argentina. Qatar about to buy $500 billion worth of Bitcoin. Giovanni, I'm very confused about Qatar buying $500 billion worth of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's only got like an $800 billion valuation. How would it be physically possible for them to buy 80% of the supply? I really don't know how they would do that. Nah, it might be 800. It might be, at these levels, it might be almost 900 billion. It would be about 50% of the supply. Almost 60. Let's see where Bitcoin's market cap is. Yeah, $850 billion. I don't see how they would be able to buy like 60% of the supply of Bitcoin. That part just doesn't add up to me. I'm in between phones and apparently running both YouTubes. They fight over... Oh, wow, dude. If they fight over the speaker, well, that's interesting. Stay on the phone. That allows you to hear me. Let's see. So, I just heard back from CoinGecko, and they said that it did not meet the requirements to be listed. Of course, they couldn't give a reason of what requirements they were. Oh, my gosh, dude. Why would they not give a listing of the requirements? CoinGecko provides a wide variety of data on many different crypto assets. All data that we have received query from various sources are put through CoinGecko's various algorithms that verifies the integrity of the data. Read on for a summary of how we calculate and evaluate. No, I want to know project listings. Here, what do we get here? Getting your token or exchange listed on CoinGecko is free, and no CoinGecko representative will ask you for any form of listing fees. While we would gladly accept any donations, addresses are available at the CoinGecko website footer. Please note that it does not guarantee a listing or expedite any part of the process. Listed below are some of the criteria that need to be fulfilled for listing consideration on CoinGecko. However, do note that fulfilling these criteria does not automatically guarantee a listing, as CoinGecko also evaluates many other factors prior to listing a project on our site. Reserves the right to publish or unpublish whatever. Listing criteria: crypto assets. Working functional website that is sufficient information on crypto asset that is being listed. Website with no information on purpose, team, or social media profiles will be considered as invalid. Okay, maybe you need a little bit more information on your website. Website must be owned by the project maintaining team, right? Websites hosted on website builders will not be accepted. Okay. I don't know where your website is hosted. That's one thing. So I guess if it's not hosted, you have to run your own server? Is that what that... I'm not a web builder, so I don't know what that means right there. Somebody that knows IT or knows web design. What does this mean right here? If Darkbo's just paying GoDaddy or something to have his website, would he not be able to get listed? Or does he own it if it's on GoDaddy and Wix is something different? Help with that out. Working Block Explorer, which he should have because clearly that's working there. Listed on at least one active exchanges where CoinGecko is integrated with. CoinGecko is integrated with PancakeSwap. Projects traded only on self-serviceable and centralized, decentralized exchanges may be rejected due to security concerns. It's listed on PancakeSwap. For market capitalization calculations, circulating supply must be communicated clearly. Any company, foundation, team, developers, vesting, lock, tokens, etc. Dark, I mean, I don't know what they asked you for, but if you communicated all of this, I would imagine this might be your only holdup, is either there wasn't enough information on your website or you're hosted on Wix. So, I mean, I can't help Dark Bro in that because I really don't know what that means. So, does Dark Bro own his website, or if he's like hosting on GoDaddy or something, does that bar him from listing it? Somebody who understands that better than I do, please help him out, man. Clibra, did you see how dinner turned out last night? No. Yes. Dang it. Frank, I'm not that hungry right now, man. I'm typically not that hungry in the morning, but yeah, that does look pretty good there. It does. I don't know if you got Brussels sprouts or what that is on there. I'd still eat it, but dude, that garlic bread and the pasta and whatever that, or those meatballs, yeah, those do look good, man. Forbes article talks about Qatar buying $500 billion. Okay, Giovanni. Let me see if I can find that article. It just seems strange to me, man. I don't think that Qatar can buy $500 billion worth of Bitcoin. It's not. $500 billion worth of Bitcoin is not for sale. And if they bought $500 billion worth of Bitcoin, where are they buying it from? Let's see. I swear those exchanges. One is money. They don't care about legitimacy. They might not, man. Oh, Chris. What's going on, Chris? Chris, man, you getting busy towards the end of the season here? Or is you in like a transition between plowing and landscaping, man? Squarespace to create the websites, but I built all those pages and everything else, and I paid for the domain, and I own the thing. I did communicate all the information. Yeah, Dark. That's the only thing I'm thinking, man, is I don't know how ownership of websites and stuff work. Let's see. You need to be on your own web page that is not a host page. Wix is a platform to easily develop web pages. What they're saying is the web page must be developed from your own HTML scripts. Okay. So Challenge Channel, I still don't know if I understand it. So like Claybro.com, I own Claybro.com, right? I haven't done anything with Claybro.com in like 2 years, but I know that I own Claybro.com, but it's built off of like a GoDaddy template, and clearly GoDaddy is hosting it, right? So would that mean that I only own the domain right now and I don't actually own the website because it's built off of like a template? Because I mean that could be the problem. Dude, if they're not gonna offer any reasoning, maybe the bros could help Dark Bro figure out why he can't get listed. But Challenge Channel and Robert, would that mean like I would need to host Claybro.com on my own servers or something like that? Because I don't understand web design. Like I know some of you guys are gonna be much more familiar with website design. Bro fam, gorilla, boom, baby. They just eat flies. Are we talking about frogs? We can talking about the people here. Past 30 minutes, the accumulation has averaged over $70 every 5 seconds. That's over $1 million a day if it keeps up. Holy moly. Let's take a look at that right now. Yeah, right now we're doing about $17 every 5 seconds. Check it out. 17, 12, 38, 26, $11. Guys, these are some big numbers. And clearly it's not keeping up $70 every 5 seconds, Ken. But yeah, these numbers are constantly fluctuating. $39 in that 5 minute or 5 second section there. $39 is wild, man. Shibarium is dude. Somebody is spending that money, right? Somebody is spending that money. They're going to run out of money to spend if they're not making literally millions of dollars. They're spending hundreds of thousands a day right now. Who is your daddy? GoDaddy is my daddy. Roulette wheel. What's going on, man? The article's on Forbes, a digital asset. All right, so let's see what we have here. If I can get... All right, so if you Google Qatar buying Bitcoin, these guys are kind of the same opinion that I am. Not reading through all of this right now, but the rumor the Qatar Sovereign Fund will invest $500 billion in Bitcoin, while not being as plausible as some might wish. They're going to talk about it there. Qatar's Sovereign Wealth Fund is rumored to be considering a $500 billion investment in Bitcoin. The rumors have fueled the surge of a Bitcoin $100,000 God candle coming in. This guy talking about Bitcoin, Qatar buying $500 billion. Well, it's rumored the Qatar plans to enter the Bitcoin market remain unconfirmed and have been reported widely, yet amongst by reputable. So I just don't know, man. I don't think that they can. The only way that I could see this, and these rumors haven't been confirmed, but the only way that I could see them doing this is not going in and buying $500 million worth of Bitcoin, but setting aside $500 million to invest in Bitcoin maybe over the coming decade. And there, if that's what they do, that's going to be huge, man. That's going to be huge. But it's physically impossible for them to go out there and just in one fell swoop buy $500 million worth of Bitcoin. $500 million worth of Bitcoin is not for sale. So they could invest $500 million maybe in Bitcoin miners. They could invest $500 million or $500 billion. It's 500 billion. Sorry, $500 billion in Bitcoin miners. They can invest $500 billion over the next decade. They could set up funds for buying Bitcoin at certain paces. There's no way they could. There's no way they could buy $500 billion worth of Bitcoin right now. It's just that's physically impossible. But yeah, dude, they might set aside $500 billion, and that would be sick, man. Sick. Honorarium has an all-time high. Yes, it does, Geoped. Honorarium is looking good. Anything you create through an online template through a hosting company is not really your website. Challenge Channel. How could he create one then? How could he create one? Because look, dude. If he wants to get it listed, he might have to do it through that way. And I know you might be thinking, dang, this dude's an idiot. But, I'm not a web developer. So how would he be able to create his own website for Honorarium there? Because I know he could easily copy and paste the code. He could just copy and paste that into Notepad and then paste it wherever he needs to do it. But how would he be able to make it his own website then? Because that might be his issue. I could be making $500 to $1,000 per day if we had some snow in Minnesota, but all we have is just sunshine and warm weather. Yeah, roulette wheel, man. I know you guys that plow, you're looking forward to it. I'm not looking forward to the snow, but I hope you guys have a great, prosperous winter. Just don't dump it all on me, man. Leave my driveway clear, and you guys can have every other driveway there is. Let's see. Well, if I can get it listed on CoinMarketCap, I don't care about CoinGecko because CoinMarketCap didn't say anything about website templates. That's bull, and it might be, Dark Bro. So I hope that they do list it for you. Don't believe everything on YouTube. Trust in the bro community. Absolutely, Robert. Absolutely. And still. Don't get to the point where you just blindly trust everything that I say or anybody else in here says either. Always question. And if it sounds good, cool, man, cool. And if it can be backed up, even better. When Coin Lizard, we need a Coin Lizard to beat that CoinGecko, man. Let's see. What do you know about Geku? I know nothing about Geku. Who's your daddy? We can take a look at Geku. Shib Association should fork an L2 like Shibarium did. Then we would have someone we can trust with all this burn money falling down farms. Yeah, I'm very confused about the forking of Shibarium. Dude, when you fork a blockchain, that is literally the most crucial decision you can make with a blockchain. You are abandoning the old blockchain and creating an entirely new blockchain. At that point, you're abandoning the old ledger and the old code. Think about, you guys know a lot about Terra Luna Classic, right? You watch the videos. Terra Luna Classic is the old Terra Luna. Terra Luna 2.0 is the forked version of Terra Luna Classic. There are two completely separate blockchains now. Ethereum and Ethereum Classic, a forked blockchain. They are two completely separate coins now. So it is, man, it's critical that people understand what the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team is doing without even considering the thoughts of the community, without even, an ounce of question. Yeah, man. Did you guys get an ad? Look at that. YouTube, Old Rounder, definitely. Yeah, Old Rounder, you guys are confirming now. 12:25, YouTube ad right on time. All right, so now we know that YouTube's throwing those ads in there every 25 minutes. Hopefully, I mean, that's kind of fine anyway. That's basically the pace that I was putting them on, 12:30, and then at the close of the stream. So YouTube following suit there and putting those ads in right on time, 12:25. They're going to hit you with another one at 12:50. If you guys start to get hit with more than that might be a little strange. But it seems that YouTube's throwing one in at 12:25, and it seems as though YouTube's going to throw one in again at 12:50. Hey, bro, what do you think would happen to the price of Shib if they burnt 600,000? I'm going to be honest with you, Matthew. I don't think anything's going to happen to the price of Shiba Inu coin simply because of the burn. I think the 600,000 is a lot of money, but it's not enough to impact a $5.5-6 billion market cap. So I don't think that we should be expecting movement in price. If there is movement in price, it's because it is appeasing the community and it's creating a sense of excitement within the community. The burn in and of itself is not going to be large enough to affect the actual price of Shib. What it's going to do is trigger emotional reactions to that burn. Now Shibarium's burning. Let's get excited. This project now has a future. They're reducing the supply. Yes, this is exactly what we've wanted. Buy more, buy more, buy more now. So it's going to be the emotional reaction that impacts the price, not just the burn. 600,000 is a lot of money, but it's not enough to dent that $6 billion market cap. That's okay. When Honorarium gets to $1 billion market cap, they will wish they listed it. That they will, Dark Bro. That they will. How is the Terra Classic and Tether blockchain looking? Well, right now, Black Sheep blockchain enthusiasts, Terra Luna Classic, the latest update is that we have passed that pay-per-job proposal. So now, instead of paying, the Layer 1 development team every quarter $100,000, the jobs are going to be listed, people are going to pick up the jobs, and then they're going to get paid for the jobs when those jobs are completed. So that's the major change that has recently occurred on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. Terra Luna Classic is back down in value to that 20,000 point per coin mark, which is a level of support, so it's fine that it's testing it, but we don't want to see it break through. Okay, if we're looking at the 7-day graph here, we tested it yesterday. We're testing it again today. We do not want to see it break through this 20,000 point per coin mark. If it does, get ready for 15,000, 16,000. If it breaks that, get ready for 12,000, which is a significant decline, man. It's 50% decline. So Terra Luna Classic testing some pretty serious support at the moment. But as far as the blockchain is concerned, now we are on a pay-per-job model. Pika Power! What's going on, Pika? Glad to have you in here. I had a feeling that was you, Mr. Bree. I wasn't sure. Pika, good to see your name in the chat right now. Also, rumor has it that Argentina will get on the Bitcoin train. I guess the president there is all about Bitcoin. Yeah. Giovanni, I haven't heard him directly say that they're going to be adopting Bitcoin as legal tender or anything, but he is really going to shake things up in Argentina. Argentina basically fell victim to a socialist society that spiraled out of control due to hyperinflation. I don't think that the government had good intentions when they were making all of those decisions. I think they had very selfish intentions in mind, but regardless of the intentions, their currency spiraled out of control and basically made it impossible for the people of Argentina to live, to work, and to survive. So this guy gets elected president. He's going to shake things up. They're going to be moving to a different economic model. I don't know if it's going to be Bitcoin or not, but I feel like the people of Argentina, having been burned so bad by hyperinflation, might be moving towards some sort of a deflationary coin or something with a controlled supply like Bitcoin has. I think the people would be okay with that right now, knowing how bad they got hurt. Wait until Clay realizes, Black Sheep blockchain enthusiast. Wait until I realize what? I had you for a few days now, guys. I don't even know, man. Wait until I realize what? What am I supposed to be realizing? Mathematically, honorarium should be there. Way before Shib does. To $1? Well, yeah, dude, $1. Shib would be at about $1 if it would be at about what 55 cents right now if it had the same supply as his honorarium. R3A. Hey, please do reviews on Gary token. It's India's largest live streaming project with 50 million users. R3A, interesting. R3A, if you can get me 50 million subscribers, I will dedicate my entire channel to Gary token. So spread the word over there in India that I am more than happy. And I don't know if it's Gary or Garai. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing it, man. Is this the token that we're looking at right here? Had a hard fall off, but that might have been on the introduction of new coins. I'm not sure. Yeah, I mean, it seems like the project you're talking about here. So, you know, I've seen tokens like this before. They're all about social media and helping out. And I think that this could be a great idea. So, for example, and I don't know if that's what this token is doing or not. But you guys know about TikTok and these other live streaming platforms. TikTok, for example, you go in and people are live streaming. You buy coins. It's basically 1 coin is 1 penny. But you buy coins and then you can send those coins. If those coins were a cryptocurrency like Gary Network, and you could go out there, you could mine them, you could load up, and then you could spend those coins on TikTok, for example, or Gary Network. You already have utility created. People want coins on TikTok, and the more people that want to spend those coins, the higher the demand is and the higher the price is. So if Gary Network or Garai Network is truly building a platform for Indians to use, similar to TikTok, what you could end up seeing is massive demand for this token. And then, of course, you could see it grow wildly over time. Picture this, and I don't know if this is what they're doing or not, right? But if you could buy into TikTok coins, knowing that as the popularity of the network grows and more people are live streaming and more people are spending these coins and sending gifts, if those would increase in value because of the increase in demand, you'd probably be very likely to go in and buy some of those coins. That might be what they're doing here. Michael Allen! Thank you very much for the super chat. Just my review on the bro shirt. I did not see your review on the bro shirt just yet. Mike, man, post it in the Discord, because it's going to be easier for you to post it in the Discord for me to go out and find which one it is. If you want to post it in the Discord, post it in the Discord. If not, just try to tell me which shirt it was, and then I can go in and try to see if I can pull it up real quick or what it looks like there. But it's going to be a lot easier if you post it in the Discord, dude. But very, very nice, man. And I do hope that you like the bro shirt. And thank you for grabbing a bro shirt, man. Did Pika weigh her hat and made on her... Oh, what? Did Pika weigh her hat? What is happening? Geopad, are you speaking Yoda? Like, what is going on? That review was legit. Dark Bro, how did you see it, Dark Bro? Where did you see this review at, man? Was it in the Discord? I didn't even see it. Nope. Somebody help me. Jump to present. Just click that button and jump to present, man. Oh, for Clay. Here we go. Nice. Michael Allen. Mike leaves a review. He says, amazing. To the other shirts out there. This shirt will level up your drip game, whatever that is, by 99%. No other tee can say that. Mike, man, I love it. I want to level up my drip game too, man. Hey, is my drip game leveled up 99%? Yeah, by 99%? Since I got a bro hoodie on right here, my drip game leveled up. I think that's a good thing, right? It's got to be a good thing, Mike. Got to be a good thing. Honorarium burn a zero. Honorarium burn a zero yesterday, the day before. The only thing I see you and Matt Perry disagree on is XRP. You guys' price expectations are very different. Would love to see you two discuss. It would be a good stream. Oh, yeah, dude. So I don't know what his price expectations are. They might be much, much higher than mine. I typically tend to be a little bit more conservative than a lot of people out there. But, yeah, I don't know, man. I think it would be very hard to see some of these, like, multi-trillion-dollar or $100 trillion valuations on some coins. So I'm not exactly sure where his price expectations are. Slow down, Dark Bro. It's going to be okay. Yes, it will. Amazon, Clay Bro. Amazon, right there. Yeah, Michael got it. Next level, they got me. I think he meant wave her hand. Okay. Yeah, Pika. I was just a little confused. I'm like, what is Yoda saying here? Pika have her hand. Pika have her. I don't even know what was going on. Next level, they got me furious. Good deal, man. Good deal. Dark Bro, I will tell you this, man. Just apply again, man. Seriously, just I don't even use CoinGecko. I use CoinMarketCap, as you guys know. So see what CoinMarketCap says. I cannot say this like enough. Dark, I don't know if somebody's gonna come in and dump your coin. I don't know if you're gonna have to go through periods of increased volatility or what your coin. Right now, Honorarium has literally been nothing but success for over an entire week straight. So you are absolutely destroying it right now. It has posted nothing but green lines, nothing but gains, and Honorarium is sitting from a $0 market cap to almost a $30,000 market cap in a week. I mean, Dark, if you think about that, okay, you know, I don't know if anybody's going to get recognized for starting a $30,000 business. But you have created something. You have investors in this coin, people who want to see it succeed, people who have taken essentially, it's not a security, right? So it's not an equity position, but people who have taken ownership position in Honorarium because they want to see it grow in value. You have gone from $0 to almost $30,000 in 7 days. Dude, we shouldn't expect much more growth than that. And we should expect some obstacles in the way. So yes, CoinGecko ain't playing games, right? Or ain't playing ball right now. They're playing some games. CoinMarketCap might play some games as well. But dude, you're doing something that a lot of people say they'll do and never do. You're taking a chance and it's paying off right now. Don't lose sight of that, man. You dead on inspire me to want to make a bro coin or something as well based on how much just beautiful success. Now we're going to test you, dude. I know the market is mean. The market is going to test your resilience. You will see some down days. You will see some bad days. And how you overcome those is going to make the difference in what sets Honorarium apart, man. CoinMarketCap's page I use, Gary, me as well, man. I rarely use CoinGecko unless, of course, I can't find something on CoinMarketCap. We just hit an all-time high. Boom, Dark. I love it. Everyone uses CoinMarketCap. I did too. Want to hear back from? There you go. Pika pumping HRM. Pika might be pumping HRM right now. Honorarium. Whale alert. Whale alert. Whale alert. I mean, are we jumping? Is it really jumping again right now? Oh, God. This dude, man. Somebody went in there with $200 just in the last, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. It went from like 26 points per coin to 36, or 260 points per coin to 360 points per coin. I don't know if we just added 2 holders or what the deal is. Dark, I just said you were at a $27,000 market cap. Yeah, I take that back. Replay my entire speech, but then substitute $30,000 market cap, almost $30,000 market cap, for almost $40,000 market cap. Oh, gosh. Just take that whole speech I made, you know, the rally cry of the honorarium holders out there, and insert 40,000 instead of 30,000. Now, nobody else go out there and buy it. Let my speech stand for at least a minute here. I don't want this to be at a $50,000 market cap before the end of the live stream, so that you guys are like, whoa, what is Claybro? Claybro doesn't even know how to look at numbers. No, it was 30,000 when I started. By the end of the speech, it was 40,000. Now it's probably 50,000. Oh, gosh. Can you check out Quant, please? Lewis, absolutely, man. Absolutely. We'll wake up tomorrow wondering why they have gains in Pancake Swap. Who are we talking about? Oh, Pika. Pika is Pika famous. She can spread the word even to people's dreams. She can't, dude. It's called Inception. Pika knows how to do it. Quant is what we wanted to look at here. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? All right, Quant's holding pretty strong today, despite the overall market kind of sitting stagnant. Quant is up to $112.20 per coin on the week. 13% gains in a very large coin on the week here, going from a little over $1 billion to $1.3 billion in market cap on the month. All right, on the month, it's not doing as well. 12% gains, and really testing this and then falling back early on. On the year, though, we need to see a little bit more gains to bring us back up to that $150 mark. But this was a massive, massive rally. I remember this one in the end or the middle of 2022 there, taking us from about $50 to nearly $200, and slowly and steadily been coming down a little bit, finding support in this $100 range. So Quant actually looking very good. Dude, could you imagine having rode this from 20 cents to $400? This is the type of stuff that you got to look out for in bull and bear markets. Going from Dark Bro's $0 market cap to a bull market high of $4 billion. Man, dude. Yeah, so Quant had performed very well in the previous bull and bear market. I don't know how it's going to perform in the next one, but Quant is doing very well right now to slowly yet steadily hit these higher lows. Higher low, higher low, higher low. So it is doing very well to keep a very, very slow-paced, steady gain on the board. Bitcoin, however, guys, be a little cautious right now. Bitcoin throwing some purple lines on the screen, curling over from 43,700 very quickly down to 43,270. Shiba Inu coin, we're not sure if it's going to curl over as well or what. But Ethereum starting to curl, and if Ethereum falls down below this 23.26 level where it's at right now, you're probably going to see a little bit of a sell-off in Ethereum as well, especially knowing that Bitcoin has curled over even more. So keep an eye on Bitcoin down at the bottom left. If it continues on in this direction, you're probably going to see a pullback in crypto space. Where are we going? Pancake Swap, Robert. I know I missed something. Join our Discord server. I can help you out with any questions. Absolutely. Thank you I don't know if that's honorarium or the Bro Discord server, but either way, thank you very much, Stark Bro. Clay Bro, Bree Guy. I want to ask, how is H-Bar doing? Black Sheep, let's take a look at it, man. Honorarium is just the beginning. I'm proud so far. Dude, you better be proud so far of what you're doing. You're doing absolute business, dude. What are we looking at? H-Bar. I was like, whoa. All right. Oh, you guys can't see it. All right. Hedera's H-Bar is down just slightly on the day today, sitting at a $2.3 billion market cap. But it's at 0.69 cents, almost 7 cents per coin. Over the last week, it has done very well to hit nothing but higher highs. Over the last month, very well. A lot of cryptocurrencies have been doing phenomenal over the last month to 6 weeks. Over the last year, Hedera has been slowly making gains and gaining ground. Had a very nice kind of spurt here at the beginning of the year, driving up to 9 cents, and we haven't been able to recover that 9 cent mark. You can notice this, okay? This area that you're at right now, 7 cents, resistance, unable to break. Resistance, unable to break. Resistance. Question is it able to break? So watch out for this current level, knowing that you are at a technical level of resistance. If Bitcoin rips higher, Hedera will probably rip higher as well. But just watch out, knowing that this current level you're at is resistance. Do whatever you want with it, but just know that you're at resistance there. And then, of course, the all-time graph, you need to break like the 8-9 cent level before you really start to get into territory of a possible run up back to 40-50 cents. So Hedera not looking too bad. It is down. It is cheap right now, but it is also at annual resistance right now. So just be cautious of that. If you guys are trading, if you're simply holding, well, continue to hold. But if you're trading, know you're at resistance. Let's see. Shib burning is 0. It will be awesome. And I'd like to see it put a 200-point buffer. Dude, I would like, you know where I would like, I'm going to get greedy. I would like a 400, 500, or 600-point buffer. Why? Yes, the 200-point would be great. But the range of Shib bought and held between 1,000 and 1,400 points per coin is the majority of the Shib. So the vast majority of Shiba Inu coin will become profitable above 1,500 points per coin. Knowing that there's going to be resistance there. People are going to sell the moment they turn green. They're not going to be able to hold through it. And if we do, it is a much, much stronger sign. So why do I, knowing it's at 1,400, why do I want 1,500 or 1,600 points per coin? Because that's my little buffer in between the Shib coming into the money and, of course, the Shiba Inu coin sitting in negative territory. So, yeah, Frank, I would love to see a little 200-point bumper there, but I really want to see 1,500, 1,600 points and an attempt at 2,000 points again. The real market, guys, get ready for magic if 3,500 is being attempted or broken. But we're nowhere near that yet to really consider 3,500 points per coin on Shib. Let's see. I own H-bar, but forgot where I bought in. Well, that's a good thing then, man. Just keep holding it. If you forgot where you bought in, just keep holding it. You're probably gonna be okay. Is this ICP? Is this Internet Computer? Remoy? Let's check out what we got here. Remoy? Sorry if I'm saying your name wrong. ICP. Internet Computer, yes. Alright, hold on. Alright, going back to it. What the heck just happened? Alright, as long as I didn't lose you, I'm good. Internet Computer currently sitting at $5 per coin. There is an unlimited supply of Internet Computer if you guys are interested in the total supply, or the max supply, I should say. The total supply right now is 510 million Internet Computer. It has a $2.2 billion market cap. Now, it has not been performing as well as some of these other tokens over the last month, and it's trying to break back up above even on the year. But this is the chart that everybody loves to see. Now, unfortunately, I do not know what happened as to what led to this decrease in price. It doesn't seem as though it was massive dilution of Internet Computer. This could have just been the top of a bull market, and then people not as interested in it after its launch. So typically, if this was due to dilution, you would see a drastically lower price, but you would see a market cap that either held the same or was even increasing. Because the market cap is directly correlated and tied to the price here, we know it wasn't because of dilution. So, can Internet Computer hit these once all-time high market caps? Absolutely. Can it 20-30x to get back up to these levels at $400-500? Absolutely. Will it? I mean, I don't know. Nobody knows that part. Nobody knows what any coin's going to do tomorrow. Oops, didn't mean to do that. I seriously did not mean to do that when I meant to click at the top of the screen to bring me back into Streamlabs here. But nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow in any coin, right? So, looked at BS Scan, the Binance Smart Chain Scan, and we are currently at 67 holders right now. That is the actual number of holders. Dex Tools is lagging. I just got an alert on Webull about this BBIG. What is BBIG doing, man? I thought BBIG was bankrupt. Let's see. Oh, what's up, Clebro? What's going on, SG Music? Man, what's up with the Shib dev team? You think they're going to stay with burning Shib or split it with Bone? Thoughts? Well, if you're asking my opinion, I think that they're going to split it with Bone. Okay? I do. I think that that's why they're hard forking the Shibarium blockchain. I think that's why they have stated they're forking the Shibarium blockchain. They've made it clear that they're doing it so that they can add additional burn tokens on there. And I'm going to be completely honest with you. I think a lot of people out there are you could take this the wrong way if you want. I really don't care how you take it because I mean it. They have a crush on Lucy, okay? And whatever Lucy says, a lot of these guys will just go right along with it. Lucy says, don't worry about burning Shib. Burning Shib is a stupid idea. That's what she said 3 months ago. Burning Shib was not important. Burning Shib is dumb. Anybody who says burning Shib is important got blocked, myself included. Now, burning Shib is exciting. Now they're promoting these burns. Oh, how quickly they change the narrative. Now what they're telling you is that we shouldn't just burn Shib, we should burn Shib and Bone. There are a lot of guys out there that just have this random weird crush on an internet girl, and they are going to do whatever she says whenever she says it. They are going to say it's a good idea to burn Bone. Even if they don't own it, they're going to say it's a good idea to burn Bone. Even though it goes against every promise they made as a development team, doesn't matter. They're going to follow them off the side of a cliff. A lot of people look to Satoshi as some sort of a godlike leader, and it blows my mind that they look to this cartoon character as some sort of a leader. So they will do whatever he says to do. I think it's a horrible idea. I think that the only reason this ecosystem is as big and popular as it is because there are literally millions of dedicated Shiba Inu coin holders who want to see some sort of growth and some sort of utility, and they buy into the idea that these guys are the creators and that these guys are the chosen ones and that these guys are the only ones to do it. It's sad, man. It's sad, but I do think that that's the way that they're going to go with burning Bone in the ecosystem. The entire idea is to kind of get you off of the idea of Shib and onto the idea of their supremacy and their control. Remember, man, a hard fork is the most important and most critical decision you can make with a blockchain. It literally stops the old blockchain and creates an entirely new one. And if Shib's ecosystem is supposed to be decentralized, that should have gone up for vote. You cannot make a more important decision than forking your blockchain. They did that without any consultation from the community, from the Bone community, from the Leash community, and definitely not from the Shiba Inu coin community. So I think that shows you where their priorities are. I don't like it. Have you checked out Terra Luna Classic yet? You mean like ever, or you mean today? Yeah, we looked at Terra Luna Classic today. Terra Luna Classic still maintaining ground at that 20,000 point per coin mark. If it falls below that, I would be a little skeptical as to whether or not the strength is going to continue on. Below 20,000, man, we're dipping back all the way to, I don't know, one of the monthly chart. Below 20,000, we're dipping all the way back to 15, 16. And then below that, we're dipping back down to that 12,500 point per coin level. So I'm okay right now above 20,000, but we could probably have a pretty quick dip back down to 15, 16 if it breaks that 20. So just be aware of that on Terra Luna Classic. I went to El Salvador and saw many Bitcoin ATMs, but everyone paid with American money. Is that what they mean by Bitcoin adoption? Countries adopt Bitcoin. Will they use US? Well, Giovanni, man, almost everywhere people use the dollar. It's just what trade is denominated in. So I don't know. I don't know what each specific country is going to do, but if they make it legal tender, Bitcoin being legal tender in El Salvador means that if you do business, you are required to accept legal tender in that country. Like, that is what you can use to buy and purchase goods and services. You know, Canadian dollars, I don't think that those are legal tender here in the United States. If I go to a restaurant and try to pay in Canadian money, I don't know if they have to accept that. I don't know what all is considered legal tender here, but Bitcoin being legal tender down there, they have to accept it. So, which is why people would probably rather use that than whatever peso they had. I'm gonna go pancake swap. My phone heats up like a crock pot. Must have a lot working on pancake swap, man. I don't know. Hate it when I read articles and they call Satoshi the CEO of Shiba Inu, and that perpetuates the idea, Giovanni. That perpetuates the idea that he is in charge. I'll battle Satoshi in the Roman Colosseum for the Shib followers, and that honorarium and Shiba Inu will work together and build towards a better future. Yeah, he ain't gonna show up to the battle, man. He's gonna Zuckerberg out on that one. He won't show up. Outdoor, I use the desktop app for Pancake Swap. Does your phone heat up too? My phone's actually never heated up using Pancake Swap. If you trust the Shib developers, you might as well trust Adam and Aaron. Yes, they are the same. 100%, man. 100%. And you know what, Frank? There are literally people who would trust Adam Aaron with their child. And I'm not going to go too deep into why you shouldn't trust Adam Aaron with your child. But, yeah, dude. There are people out there who just blindly follow these leaders, asking no questions, showing no concern, and will give up their firstborn if these people say to do so. So, yeah, dude, it's insanity to me. But, hey, man, they happen, man. It happens. All is well. Just sick at home or I wouldn't be here. Pika? Why are you sick? What's wrong? Pika? Not Pika. I gotta ask. Are you actually sick or you just like got the sniffles? Which one is it? You actually sick or is it you got a runny nose or something? I'm not. I want to know. Should we be concerned or are you going to be okay? Eating some chicken soup, hanging out with the bros today, kind of just taking it easy. And please don't get mad that if I ask if you just got the sniffles. If you're really sick, I feel bad. Going 15 titanium soon. I have no idea what 15 titanium means. I am about to take some profits with AMP 30% gains. Dude, do it, man. Black sheep, beautiful. I'm actually sick. Darn it, Pika. Well, I hope you get better. Nobody wants to see a little Pika sick. Nobody wants to see a little Pika sick. That's a fact. I know nobody wants to see that. Articles say the Shiba Inu has many projects. They really don't. We just finally have a burn on Shiba Inu. Yeah. Giovanni, Bone does not benefit Shiba Inu coin. Leash does not benefit Shiba Inu coin. Shibarium did not, until these first burns started happening, benefit Shiba Inu coin. And I think it surprised everybody that this project came in here and started minting millions of tokens and actually burned Shib. I truly believe that the developers would not have ever announced that we met that burn threshold if Shib Burn did not keep track of the Shiba Inu coin accumulation. I really don't think that they would have burned anything. So, yeah, dude, this is the first project that has actually benefited Shiba Inu coin, and already, after one burn, they fork the blockchain, and they are getting ready to replace it with bone burns. What on earth? Why are we letting them do that? Why, man? It's nuts. Hope you get better soon. No, I hope she gets better soon, Black Sheep. I hope she gets better soon. Anybody else hope she gets better soon? Because I hope she gets better soon. Nah, I'm sure everybody hopes she gets better soon. Shib team wouldn't get a crust. What? Nor I, Gary. Nor I. Oh my gosh. Yeah. And the sad thing is, look, I get in little debates with people on X all the time about this stuff. The ecosystem team truly has built a great ecosystem. They have just done so under the deception and the guise of it helping Shiba Inu coin. Their ecosystem would be nowhere near what it is if they didn't have the support from the millions of Shiba Inu coin members. And the only way that they have that support is because they have essentially deceived people into believing that these projects benefit Shiba Inu coin. So they have built something. The only reason I get upset about it is because it's under the disguise of helping Shib. And it doesn't, man. To me, that's a lie. That's a little bit of a deceit there. Thanks, Clay. Absolutely, Pika. Absolutely. Let's see. I'll be upset if they split it. They'd be going against their word. Shib has a large market cap, trillions. It needs attention first. Tell you what. Oh, wouldn't mind a loss. Yeah, but you can't sue a cartoon character. SG Music. Shitoshi doesn't exist. That's the thing. You can't sell it. You can't sue a cartoon character for lying. Anybody remember when is this? Chitoshi made his appearance at that forum and the day he was talking about Shiba drop? Yeah, dude, I remember that. Especially when he tried to sell us that book spray with his favorite cologne. No, I don't think that Bone is doomed. I think that you're gonna have people, like I say, man. People will follow Shitoshi and Lucy to the end of the earth. They've got a crush on them, and they're just gonna blindly follow. Even if the relationship's toxic, they're gonna follow on, man. So I don't think Bone is doomed. The only way Bone is doomed is if the Shiba Inu coin community members who bought into the ecosystem wake up and realize that it doesn't benefit the ecosystem. Going back down here. Guys, it is 1:02. Worked out great. Happened a week before finals. Oh my gosh, Pika. Don't stress the finals. Everything's going to be okay. I know I clicked the button. Everything's going to be okay, and you're going to pass all of your tests with A+. 99% correct. Everybody's got to miss something. Guys, get your name in the chat. It is 1 o'clock. Yes, it is. Outdoor Smile. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. Appreciate every single one of you guys for being in here. Keep the chat going. Keep the chat awesome. And we've got shout-outs to Pika Power. Mark L, man. See you later. Dark Bro, Pika, Gary, Outdoor, Gary, Pika Power, Dark Bro, Jose Francisco Rosas. Enjoy your afternoon, man. Mr. Norma, see you later. Next Level, Peter, Kombu, Pika Power, Frank, see you later, man. Robert, enjoy your day. We got Matthew, Gary, Kombu, Chris, Peter, Lonnie, Dark Bro, Pika Power. That would be amazing, and it's gonna happen, Pika. You're gonna do very well. Outdoor Smile, man. See you later. Black Sheep, enjoy your day. Whit Reed, Frank. Oh, what is this doing? Kombu, Aiden, Dark Bro. All of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.